This is very important, so please pay attention, children. Charlie!
Good morning, children. Please sit down. Dhwani, please come in. Listen, children. Dhwani is your new classmate.
Okay, children, it's time for your break now.
Let's go and meet the new classmate. Hi, I'm Raju, and this is Gopi. Would you like to have a samosa?
I want to have one.
Sorry.
Just a sorry won't do. I will have to take my revenge somehow. Listen.
Bye. See you in the class. Oh no! Such a big burger. So this is why ma'am burps so loudly during class.
When have I burped loudly?
I beg your pardon, ma'am?
Raju, do not talk about your teachers in such a way.
I didn't say anything. You didn't say anything, Raju, but I did. And everyone thought they heard your voice and not mine. Oh, Julie is such a teacher's pet because she tattles all the time. Huh? You will take Gopi in your team. Do you want to lose or what?
Everyone, go to the ground.
I will go out before everyone else. Otherwise, Gopi will tag along with me like always. I have heard everything. Gopi, you have to listen to me. Go away, Raju. Listen, Gopi, I didn't say anything. Wait. Otherwise, Gopi will tag along with me like always. What are you trying to say? Just that someone is imitating me and saying all this. I had placed this recorder under my desk. But you were close to the door when this was said. Exactly. Gopi, you have to believe me. You are my best friend. I believe you, Raju.
Then we should find out who's behind all this and confront them, shouldn't we?
We can do that later. Let's go. Look, the contestants from Janav Nagar are already here.
Inter-school knockout competition is held every 5 years between Arya Nagar and Janum Nagar Public Schools. 2 teams will be from Janum Nagar Public School and 2 teams will be from our school. The captain of the 2 teams from Janum Nagar are Naren and Jeet. The first team from our school is of Raju and all his friends. Second team will be of Charlie and his friends. So let's start with Charlie and Raju, your teams finished at the same time, so it's a tie. So we will now have a tie-breaker round.
In this game, the teams have to climb up these ladders and then find the banner that is hidden under those balls. Oh no! That was an old water tank! Hurry up! Hurry up! We have to...
Help me! It's okay, Dhwani. Come with me.
Mighty Raju! Hooray!
Thank you, Mighty Raju. I must tell you this. Raju did not play any kind of prank on you. In fact, he was trying to be friends with you. Whatever happened in the gym, Charlie is to blame for it.
Omega 2 will be all mine in just a short while.
Those who want to wish something on seeing the falling stars, for them we have... It's now time for the meteor shower.
Julie, there you go.
Yay!
Race, race, race.
Please stop it, Commissioner Khanna.
Mighty Raju is their hero, Sandhya ji. He can do anything to keep them happy.
Mighty Raju, Mighty Raju.
Atomy City.
Karate, why don't you take care of your toys first?
Atomy City?
What's going on here? Ah!
Omega 2. The weak point of Mighty.
What has Karate done to our Mighty Raju?
Sir, the entire meteor got destroyed. There is not even a tiny sample of Omega 2 left.
It's a blessing in disguise. If this compound had fallen into wrong hands, then... You are correct, Professor Swami. If I can get these mutants on my side, Mighty Raju and Aryanagar will be totally under my control.
Mighty Raju! Where are you hiding? Come and save your beloved Aryanagar! Ha!
Karate, surrender yourself to the police right now.
Commissioner Khanna!
Thanks, Mighty Raju.
Say hello to Karate's Special Army! The Army of Karate! Mutants, attack!
Lily, please stop! Lily will run over Charlie! Move out, Charlie!
Didn't I warn you, Mighty Raju, that this time Karate is going to turn the tables, huh?
Not that easily, Karate.
Khanna! Mutants!
Let's go, Mighty Raju.
But those three?
We'll also rescue them from the hands of Karate.
What has Karate done to Aryanagar?
Swami, no matter wherever Khanna and you may hide that Mighty Raju, my mutants will definitely find him out. Atomy City!
What's all this going on?
I will tell you, Mighty Raju. Sources are telling us that on the day of the race, When these kids entered the restricted area, the Omega-3 infected all 3 of them. As luck would have it, Karate had the Meteor Core, with which he gained total control over these 3. And then they all attacked Aryanagar. We brought you here avoiding their eyes, but Karate's mutants have captured all the rest. Even my own family. Entire Aryanagar is now living under the threat of these mutants. Everything has been destroyed.